Hi there, guys.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Silver Fanatic.
Yes, guys.
Okay, guys. Today it's an unboxing, eventually, but
big box.
Big box with nothing inside. Don't be fooled. Yeah. Our discussion today is Black Friday.
The talk of the town.
Talk of the town. This week it's the talk of the town, Black Friday, and oil, gas, and food, and banks, CBDC, and precious metal, guys.
Yeah.
That is our talk for today. Yeah, we have this our trusty. Yeah. Why is it not focusing? Okay, our trusty.
The
camera.
Card. That's what they do to you if they knew.
Okay. All right, guys. What do you think about the Black Friday?
I
will be unboxing this, guys, on the side. I'll keep showing it onto the camera while we're still discussing this juicy Black Friday that we are faced upon.
Only to think that when we were growing up, there was nothing like Black Friday.
That called Black Friday?
No.
It's something new to you?
It's something new. When I'm like reminding myself, when did this thing started?
Yeah.
It's like a new thing.
Why did they introduce this thing called Black Friday?
I don't know why.
I think this is a wrong order.
Again.
I think it's a wrong order, guys. I'm seeing some things that I do not know. But it's fine. Let's just see. I think it's the wrong order like last time, but I'm not too sure. But I think our package is there. Maybe there is a love letter or something apologizing for what happened the last time.
Maybe.
I am not too sure.
Because it's the
same supplier. Yeah, where we try to buy the Little John.
Yes.
So yeah, guys, let's continue. What do you think about the Black Friday? Why is it implemented now, since it is something that you did not even know about when you were growing up?
I think it's because the government wants us to spend money.
People need to spend money, guys.
To spend money.
I'll start with that. Let me start with something that we might know there. The government really wants us to spend money. And when we're spending money, what happens?
Yeah, the economy.
I think the tax.
Yeah,
when we were spending money, government would get the tax. So I think that's what they want.
They want to get more tax. So
that they can get tax from us. I think that initially Black Friday is intended for us to spend and the government
get more money.
To get more money. That's it. I think so.
Yeah, that's a really valuable point.
I think so, yeah. And people for now will say, I will not spend on a Black Friday just to go against the government. In the future, guys, you will not have an option.
I think we'll be forced.
Once they introduce the CBDC to the total lockdown, you will be told that you either spend this certain amount of money or it will forfeit.
I think so too. I think so too, because even now banks, they are holding people's money in their banks. What do you think they're doing that? They
are holding people. They eyeball their accounts. If you go to a bank, you'll find that your account has been deleted or you are nobody. It does not exist. The bank doesn't know you.
You can't withdraw.
You can't withdraw. You can't do anything. You last thought that you had a bank account.
Yes.
Finally, Little John.
Yes, guys.
Finally, right order, guys, and the condition. This order has been here for about 3 weeks. 4 weeks. And this is the only time we find to unbox it, guys. We're very sorry about that.
Guys, I wish we can share how busy
we are. But so you find that you go to a bank and then you find that your account is no longer in existence. You are just a nobody. You thought that you were banking with the bank. You trusted the bank for years.
Because they're controlling everything.
They want to control everything.
They're controlling everything.
They want. I want to use the word they want to control
you never
everything.
Know.
But I don't think they will succeed with us.
No.
With people like us, stubborns. What a condition.
Yeah, and maybe
what a condition, guys.
Beautiful
coins.
They're beautiful.
Yeah. So
and maybe because they're doing that, holding people money, they're introducing the CBDC.
Yeah. So they don't want any withdrawals, so that you don't go to the bank and make them more bankrupt, because the banks, guys, don't have money anymore.
Yeah, and with
they don't have money. With you going there, withdrawing your millions and all that, you are setting them back. So I think
with the markets doing like this,
with the market and the condition,
they use your money to invest somewhere else. So that the market is going down, everything is going down.
Everything is really going down. So I think they want to introduce the CBDC.
Cashless money.
It's a cashless money, guys. So with the introduction of CBDC, guys, into a total lockdown, you will have absolutely no say to your money, guys. You'll be told whatever they want.
They're deleting the banks, the middlemen.
And another thing that I foresee for them introducing what they beautiful call. Is it this one that I bought? I'm not too sure. Is it all 2021? Because I remembered we don't have a 2021. So with them introducing CBDC, guys, I think they're trying to get rid of anything that is sort of cash. That's something that you can transact with or buy it behind their backs, because they want to control everything. They want to see each and every transaction that you are making. So with you now having cash, you'll be able to do other transactions without them knowing about them. So that is the reason. So total lockdown, guys. That's the purpose of the CBDC. So you will do everything in their eyes. There's nothing you will be able to do without them knowing. Buying a sweet, they will know you bought the sweet. I think you bought too many sweets this year. We freezing your bank account.
That's true. And I think that's because they're doing this, they want us to be on their surroundings, so they will know what you're doing and when you're doing it.
Yes, guys. So the thing that we want to know from you guys, what do you think? What do you think about our precious metals, guys? Do you think our precious metals will save us? Do you think will win us this war? What do you think will our precious metals will do for us? Will it win us this war that we are faced with? That we are faced with. What do you think? Just leave it on a comment below. What do you think is going to happen?
Since even all the market is going down, what will happen to our precious metals?
Is it also following the crash? Just leave it on a comment below, guys. What do you think? What do you foresee about our precious metals?
That's true.
Is it going to help us? How? What is your observation? Yes. Leave it on a comment below, guys. We would really love to know what is your take on that one.
That's true.
Yes, guys.
Guys, we don't know about this black box.
So, guys, the black box, guys, I think they because when I called them, guys, they gave us 3 of this black box. Let me just explain. The last time when we were trying to buy let me put it there.
It was
1, 2, 3. Very nice box, guys. We love them. We will use them, especially for coins that we love the most. We have one like this.
For Kruger, our first Kruger.
Our first Kruger is in a box like this. We really love this box. Love to say thank you to them, guys. The company is African Bullion, guys. Yes. That's the company that we bought this one on. It's just I think it's unfortunate that they don't ship to overseas.
But if you are in South Africa, we'll leave the link.
We'll leave a link on the description, guys, to their website, and tell them that silver sphere, silver fanatic guys sent you.
Yeah.
We'll leave a link to the websites on the description below.
Yeah,
but let me explain how this thing happened. We were not even aware. We don't know. They don't even know whether we received them because we didn't even send an email. So we bought
Little John way
I think last month. Yeah,
yes.
we bought we wanted to buy the Little John, but they gave us two Marian.
It was Marian and
Marian no,
yeah.
not this one. Not
I think it
not
was
Robin Hood.
Yeah, but it was a double was Marian.
Yeah, Marian.
It was a koala and we bought a koala and Little John, and they gave us koala and a Marian.
Two Marian. Yes, instead of a Little John.
Yeah.
Oh, it was this one. We bought this koala. If you remember our previous video, we even mentioned that they gave us a wrong coin. This was part of that order, the koala, and we wanted one to be Marian and one to be Little John. So they gave us two Marian. I just can't find it now. So I think this is a way of them to say sorry to us, because they said we can ship it back and they can rectify, and we said no, we'll think about it, but we ended up just staying. So now we have two Marian. But this is the one we wanted to complete this series. So eventually it's good that we have found this one, because they even said no, they will keep one aside for us. We must just phone them and they will give us a discount and so forth and so forth. But we just decided to just
do the
write
normal
out
order.
and purchase.
Because it was a mistake.
Normally, yeah, we
Everybody
understood
makes
it was a mistake. Yeah, so we were not so upset about it. We even mentioned on the thing on the video that they did made a mistake. So that is how these 3 boxes came about.
Apology.
It's just an apology about the unfortunate that happened last time. Okay, but guys, please comment below what you think about the precious metals.
How are they gonna help us survive this
war that we are faced with?
War. It's a war.
It's a war. It's a war.
Maybe people they looking at like what is called.
We almost forgot to mention the oil.
Yeah, we had the shortages.
The shortages of oil.
Of oil.
Oh, okay.
Fuels.
Fuel and food. They must start printing, guys.
They were printing the money.
They were printing the money during that time. They must print the oil, food, and fuel now. The gas. They must print that, because whenever we are faced with the crisis, they are quick to print. So print oil, fuel, and gas. Let's see how you're gonna be able to manage that one.
But are we really short of these things? Do you think?
I don't know. I don't know whether it's still part of control, acting that we are short of these things.
Don't think.
I do not know. Please leave it on a comment below, guys. What do you think?
Is it true?
Is it true that we are really short of oil, food, and gas?
The most important thing.
It's about that control that we are faced with. The war that we spoke about, whether the precious metals will win for us.
They can't control the money now. It's like it's out of value.
Yeah, valueless.
Maybe they move to something else.
Valueless.
What's your opinion?
Has value. Yeah.
We're not
Leave
financial.
it on a comment below, guys. Or we are not financial advice, guys.
It's just
having a conversation,
our opinion,
sharing our point of view and our thinking and our thoughts. Not financial advice. If you're looking for financial advice,
go look
the
for
professionals.
The professional
just leave it on a comment below, guys. What do you think our precious metals would do for us in this war that we are faced with?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.